So in this episode I'll be showing you the pen tool. So for here, the pen tool shortcut P, as we all know, you can just click and you connect it to form a shape. You select different points, you form a shape and it picks a particular color and fills it in immediately. So I'll undo that. Then the next tool on the list is the free form pen tool. This you just click and drag and it will immediately form whatever shape it has different node points, so you can actually adjust it whichever way you like. You do not have to have different points, so you can adjust it whichever way you like. Then the curvature tool, you just click, pull, it curves your points automatically, so you don't have to pull, drag and try to adjust. It will just make everything curve. So you can come here and select different colors. You can pick a gradient, you can change patterns for your object. You can also change the pick, whatever color you would like. You can also remove the color, then you can use the color picker and also play around with whatever shade you would like. You can also change the color of the outlines, which is the stroke. Then you can pick the style of the outline you would like here. There are different options for you to choose from, so you can just play around with them to see which would suit you better. So after picking the color, I'll increase the size so you can see it clearly. Exactly, that's the stroke or outline, whichever you would like. And the next tool is the add, which you can use to pick a point, adjust nodes, curve them, make them look nice. Then the minus or delete, which removes anchor points at any point you would like. Then the curvature tool also adjusts the curves. You can play around with it to make it more curvy, or I don't know, make it as stylish as you would like. So you can mostly use this when you've used the freeform tool, the freeform pen tool, so it can adjust it however you like. So I hope you enjoyed this series. Don't forget to give these videos a thumbs up.